Is up, everybody? Yeah, so today we're gonna learn how to make chicken tomato wrapper. Let's go and prepare the stuff.
Y'all should raise me when we do this, man. Like, look at that. We go. Come on, cut the chicken. Alright, we stack them up. We do it all together. I'm doing it with three people. Alright, add the salt, the pepper. Alright, time to get my sauce. Alright, let's get your hands in, get them dirty. Alright, oh my god, what are you doing, man? Faster can or not? Alright, get the tomatoes, chili. Alright, slice them up, nice and easy, man. Chop, chili, chop, chili, chop, chili, chop, chop. Oh my god, you guys ever heard the song? That's a good song, mate. Let's go. Damn, be fast. Are you as fast as me? Race me. Alright, do this video in real time and then we see who is the better cutter, man. Look at that. Look at that thinly sliced tomato. Alright, it goes nice in cubes. I want my cubes. Alright, if you notice, alright, you see, nicely stacked it up. Alright, flip the other side up. Yeah, alright, and we are good to go. Right, time for the eggs preparation. Crack the egg. Alright, nice one. And I'm going for the second one, and oh, no one saw that. Alright, let's continue. Number 3. Good thing I washed my eggs, you know, my eggs are clean. Alright, time to saute them. Add more salt. We got the pepper. Alright, pepper's next. Alright, we keep going. You gotta keep working, guys. Alright, you want a fast meal. Alright, stir now. Oh man, look at that speed.
So let me show what man's got. Man's got this. Alright, we got the chicken, we got this, and we got the eggs, and we got the wraps. We got dinner wraps for me. What wrap for you? It's with the wrap. He's got a wrap. So, man's in the streets. He's out here making beats. He's ready to get some dish so that he won't be in the ditch.
Alright, so let's start cooking. Alright, we're gonna put in the chicken. Alright, we're gonna let it cook. After we have the chicken nicely cooked, alright, then we'll add in the tomato and the chilies. Alright, that is when you start to create the puree. That will be the sauce that will bind into the chicken and make it so good. You'll be like, oh,
Man's refused to pay the bill, bro. Now we wait. We let it sizzle, dizzle over here, you know? While my boy's on the low heat, let me just do some sciencedirect.com right here for you guys. You know? So, I could go to low heat. You know why? Because so that your tomato can slowly become the puree you want without messing up your chicken. Yeah? So, yeah, that's that. Look at my baby. Yeah.
alright, as chef, you gotta take a quick sniff and be like, oh my god, oh, it's so good. Like, oh.
At this point, my boy, look at that, oh my god, it's amazing, mate. It's like, just like what? Yeah, so at this point, I'm about done. Alright, so just gonna give it another good 30 seconds. Gonna do the flippity flip, and then I will plate it.
Actually, this part is like the saddest part, you know. Yeah, it's like time is like stopping, you know. It's like it's almost time to stop cooking. It's like, why? I love cooking, man. It's like, why gotta end? You know what I'm saying? It's like, guys, come on, do you feel me? Like, yeah.
Right, so I'm gonna prepare my eggs now. Today, we're gonna do some scrambled eggs. Low heat. Nothing can go wrong with low heat. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to form the crust. You know, beautiful. Slowly. Yeah. Egg.
And as you can see, I used the pan from before, and yeah. And next, you will see the food form.
watching. And if you like this content, don't forget to click here to subscribe and click here to watch another video. And over here, I have my Instagram handle. So yeah, I'll see you the next time.